Hi everyone. I decided to record a video about altcoins. Most of them they have the same situation, and most of altcoins were buying at around this area where we had, instead of this red effigy on a weekly time frame, we had green effigy. So it was a strong support level. Unfortunately, after this huge drop, currently most altcoins I found their support over here. This level also should come to 0.75 level, yeah, this area. So currently 3D charts look more interesting for me. 3D charts look more interesting for me. Why? We can see this bounce from this zone, or on weekly it comes to this effigy, right? And we have 1 day and 17 hours for the 3D close. I like this bounce that the price bounced above 0.75 level right now. Excuse me. Sorry. So I like the fact that we had this nice bounce and we came to 0.75. Not only on this coin, but on most altcoins. I just went briefly through most of them. Of course, some of them they look significantly strong. For example, Hype. It didn't move much. It didn't went to my stop loss still after all these days of consolidating. So I would say market makers really are holding this level at this FEG area. So I think this coin is definitely interesting to invest and hold long term. So what about the coins that we have the market structure like this? What we should wait for and pay attention? As I said, I was buying around here. Of course, I'm underwater, as most of us, most of you probably. So currently, we need to wait for this 3D close. So we have 1 day and 17 hours. If we will have a positive close, which means above 0.75, this will mean that most probably the price will go back towards to our entry or a bit of high towards to this FEG levels that we have here at 0.382. Because if we go to moment, I think on daily time frame, somewhere I saw. Okay, yeah, on 2-day time frame we have also here FEG levels. So I expect that 3D now we have this structure, right? I expect that even if the price will go a little bit lower on 4-hour, like this, on 3D, I expect that the price will close about 0.75, and this will bring us the bounce until at least this area, 0.382 level, where I will probably look for what Bitcoin will do, for how SP500 will act, and I will be more still bearish because we may have bearish retest of this area and continue going down. So either from this level or from 0.5. So once we will have a pullback of, let's say, approximately back 50%, um, I would suggest not to buy over here, on the way up. But I would suggest if you are in profit, at least move your stop loss to break even. If we will have any another crash or correction, at least you'll be stopped at BE or in small profit. Because honestly, so far high time frame doesn't look positive. What I mean by high time frame, like monthly, we still have 24 days. I need at least monthly to see the close above this green box, you know, this FEG. Otherwise, we may have simply this kind of um, bearish structure with some ups and downs, you know, like price goes up, down, and it will just make a new low, you know, before any significant uptrend continuation. So this also possible. I just want to warn you. So I still expect, at least from here, I expect some bounce because altcoins dropped a lot, and probably there will be a lot of buyers that are interested in these prices, at least to push the price towards the nearest resistance zones on daily 2D or 3D time frames. And also we can just do a simple trick. Just we can put this line on this dots, you know, and just look at this high, this high, this high, and you simply connect this highs with this line. So this line will stand for us as a resistance zone. Okay, so as a resistance zone, what do we need right now? We need, for example, if price will come here, we need to see the price to break above this resistance zone. In this case, the price may go higher. So we should not have any kind of rejection like this from this line. If we see this kind of reaction, this kind on 4 hours, 6 hour, 8 hour, 12 hour daily time frame, doesn't matter. Anything what is more than 4 hour, it will mean okay, we're closing our position and we are preparing for swing shorts, and probably we will look for better conditions in the market, because right now the situation is tricky. I'm not sure like what SP 500 will do. If it will continue going down, it will not be positive. Okay, it will not be positive for the crypto market, and so far it doesn't look good. It looks weak, and so far I think that it will decline here, and 5 to 15% of drop can affect a lot crypto market. And what else I wanted to tell you? Moment. Yeah, and even if we see that yes, right now Bitcoin is holding, it can still break below this support area and come here, or even worse, go a bit lower. Okay, and of course it will affect altcoins. And as I was telling you yesterday in a video before, Bitcoin dominance looks still strong, and as you can see, only this small bounce of 6% could dump altcoins, I don't know, 40% down, 50% down. Some altcoins went even lower. I don't want to check. So imagine now if Bitcoin dominance will break above 64%, and it will give 10% of pump. It will be not good. Okay, so we should be just prepared for anything. So I told you the tricks. If you have any questions about any coin, just please write down, like ask, and I will try to make technical analysis on all time frames, you know, and we'll see like where it's better to DCA, where it's better to exit the trade, and so on. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please just feel free to ask.